What's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today we're on a private tour of the east side of Madeira with this lovely couple from Milford-on-Sea in Bournemouth. And we're in Nuns Valley today, just looking at this amazing little rainbow and clouds. We've decided to come out this way because the weather looked quite dramatic, and we're having a really lucky day for now. And today, because I've had permission from our lovely guests, we're gonna be visiting the Reizinho Distillery, which I've been wanting to do for a long time. So stay tuned, this vlog should be pretty cool. We've been in the rain for the last hour or so maybe. It really started to come down. I'm really glad we made the best out of the morning. So I thought we'd go on this little expedition to one of our old hydroelectric power plants. And not many times out this side. I think I've only been here once this year, which is today. So cool little expedition. Nice little off-road. Now we're gonna probably do one more little stop, make it to Quinta do Verão for epic lunch, and then after that, Reizinho. It's gonna be real cool. Stay tuned. Brought us to this little place. Talking about a tight spot. Well, that road looks okay. Made it. So this is a little distillery called Reizinho. It's like at someone's house. Never been here, so let's see. Here we go. Pedro, what's up? This is Jean and Ian.
Hello. English, Portuguese, I'm easy. Okay.
English is great. Right, well, do you want to give us a little bit of an idea?
I apologize for the mess. This is our first week, so we're a little bit crazy. As you can see. Come through. I'm distilling at the moment. Yeah, there's 5 distilleries in Madeira. There's 2 very small ones, which is us. And there's another one in Porto Cruz. And then we've got the 3 big boys, when I call them, The tours. Did you take them there?
No, well, I'm trying to run away from that place.
Okay.
So I'm looking for a new place to show people.
Well, what will you do? Let me introduce you to the white one. This is my personal favorite. Pers?
No.
Pers from what?
No posso. Yeah, no, I can't. No.
It's like it's like I know him. You know, I follow you on Instagram, and it's like I always like. Yes, I wish I could do this thing, half of what you do. You know, it's very nice.
I wish I could be in here all the time. You know.
Yeah, it's nice and warm here. So have some chicken.
These things are amazing. I'll have some of that.
Oh, there you go.
I'll have some of this.
It's pretty addictive. It's like popcorn.
Yeah.
Quite smooth.
Huh?
Smooth.
Yeah. So I found out about you guys at the Madeira Rum House.
Okay. Where?
Huerto, well, actually Vitor.
No, Victor, yes.
Yeah.
Both lovely chaps.
Yeah. So the Madeira Rum House is a really cool place for you guys to see if you
You
want
must
to as
try
well.
his poncha.
Yeah, the poncha is really good.
Pescador. To me, it's the best.
Yeah.
To me, in terms of pescador, there's nothing better than that.
It's true. It's
And
a very good.
And then you've
poncha.
also got, I don't know if you've been up there to the cock. Close to poison.
Close to poison.
Up above Mashik. He's got the. No,
Cut.
okay.
That was fun. Obrigado. Crazy. First ever tour group to come into Reizinho. And what do you guys think? Huh? It's good. Hey, yeah?
I think it'd be an interesting one. Yeah,
Nice.
you couldn't bring a big group here, though, could you?
No, well, I don't do big groups.
No.
So,
No. Yeah.
very cool.
Yeah, I think people would like that. Some people want the souvenir shop.
Right guys, that's the end of today's vlog. Now it's time for us to go back to the hotel. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're planting a tree for every new subscriber we get into 2020. And that means you too.
Okay.
So you guys have to subscribe to our YouTube channel
Okay.
and we'll plant
Gene does
2
that
more
stuff.
trees.
Gene's
You
a
want-
social media person.
Cheers. In my company, I'm the social media person. Cheers guys.